In this video, we will see how to fix error out of paper error code 28 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And even after your printer having sufficient paper, but such type of error message you will receive, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose settings. And here from the left side, go to system. From the right side, look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot and here choose other troubleshooters. And here run printer troubleshooters. This is the first and initial workaround. Windows inbuilt tool troubleshooter is a very important tool. You must apply Windows inbuilt tool troubleshoot for any of your problem. And the next workaround is right click on start button and choose device manager. Device manager window will now open. Here go to print section, print queue, expand it. Go to print queues section, expand it. Here you will find all your printer installed in your system, printer driver. Simply go to your printer driver which you are currently use, right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. And after that, close the windows and check whether your error printer out of paper resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to open run dialog box and here type services.msc services.msc and click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system. Services windows is now open. Here go to print a spooler services. Scroll down and look for the option print a spooler services. Look for print a spooler services. Right click on it and first click on start, otherwise restart it. If you found already in a start mode, then restart print a spooler services. And after that, apply a double click on it to open its properties window and go to a startup type and set a startup type as automatic. And finally, click on apply and OK to save the changes. And your printer out of error code 28 definitely be resolved. That's all.